Hey, welcome back everyone to my channel. This is Donnie and I am unboxing yet again from Bella Art de Nicole. This is a bit of a larger box. It's just because I purchased some items that were a bit bigger. And one item was actually something I wasn't planning on buying this soon, but what happened was I had ordered this item in a previous order, and I actually have that unboxed here on my YouTube. And they do personalization on some items. Well, the one I received, I forgot that I asked for personalization on it, and it didn't have it. And she just pointed to ask me, hey, did you get your name on it? And I'm like, yeah. And then I look, I'm like, oh, wait, I guess I didn't. I was thinking of something else. And she says, well, we have one here with your name on it. I'm like, oh, I will buy it. Don't worry, because I was planning on buying one, you know, eventually anyway, another one. So you'll get to see it. I don't know if I did just the short version of the unboxing. I think it was like one of my very first TikToks that I did unboxing the first one. So I'm going to tilt it on this side here so we get to see what's coming out at the same time. Giant bubble wrap. Oh my gosh. That's awesome. More bubbles. More bubbles. Okay, here is the one with their business card. So let's get this magically unboxed from all that bubble wrap. All right, so this is part of the Oz in Og event. It's OZ in AUG. So there's an event going around the diamond painting community where people are doing Wizard of Oz themed diamond paintings. So they did a set of trays with those colors. I just chose the one translucent red because I don't have very many. In fact, I might only have just one red large tray, and I needed more large trays. So here's their business card for Jamie and Nicole. It has their email and their website. And here is for their YouTube channel for different questions people have on their products. Here's a couple of stickers. These will go to Tesslynn because she has reminded me, don't forget to give me the butterfly stickers when you get them. I was stealing them and putting them on my own table. So there's a couple of cute stickers they sent. Thank you very much. And here is the beautiful tray. I don't have very many of these translucent ones. So that's why I decided, other than the fact that I have a shiny red one. I only have one large red tray. Yeah. So I had to get me another big one. I actually need to fill up my spots, my large tray tower, because I have little trays in there now and those are hard to pull out. So this will fill in one of those spots. The next item is a specialty cover minder they made for the event, Oz and Og. And let's see. This is super cute. I just had to do it. They are ruby slippers. They kind of look like Barbie shoes, but you know, hey, if Dorothy wants to walk around in 3-inch heels, she can walk around in 3-inch heels. So that I will, you know, put along with all my other cover minders I'm just collecting right now. Because being someone who makes cover minders myself, I don't generally get cover minders. Alright, the next thing, I don't even remember what I ordered. Let's see what this is, because I'm not quite sure. Well, let's unwrap it. Alright, so this is the item I was talking about that has my name on it. It's one of the hexagon shaped pin holders, and the one that I had before was also in the green filament section, and this is the one I unboxed, and it doesn't have any, it didn't have my name on it, which they put right here. If you can see this one, how it's got my name right there. And the cool thing about these is that you can just set them together on your desk. However, you could do it like that. And so if you have a corner desk, that would be perfect. You could just get them all sorts of different directions or whatnot, where you want to keep them. Put them next to each other. Put them in a semicircle. Stack them behind each other. Share a desk with someone. Got two of them right there. That's pretty cool. So yeah, this is a rainbow filament, and it looks like I almost got purple. You can see right here, it looks like it was starting the purple color of the rainbow reel right here. So, but this was perfect though. This is like an emerald green, and it's beautiful. So I will be putting that back over in the corner. I just have a very small shelf right now for pens. So that's what I will have to do with this, is make some room. And yeah, I'll have to do that later. All right, so there's that. And then there's one more thing, and it's kind of big. And this is a new item that they just started selling. And oh my gosh, it's beautiful. I got it in rainbow. So let's get this one unwrapped. Look at that beautiful rainbow. These are so big that it looks like it takes up a good portion of filament to do it, for it to change this many colors, to get all those rainbow colors in there. Oh my gosh. Okay, so what is this? It's a good sized, hefty, I mean, it's got a good weight to it. It's a tower, it's a tray holder, tray tower, whatever you want to call them, for the Max trays. I've got 3, one's packed away, but I do have these 2 that I have just been setting on top of my other towers. So they fit in here. They'll stick out just a little bit, and there's a little room right here at the end, and that is perfect. So it holds 4. I don't know if I said 5 or what, but that means I'm gonna have to buy one more Max tray so I can fill the last slot, right? So there is the items that I purchased. Oh, this is stuff. These are the 3-section trays that I have. But these will also, I've got to find my clips. I think I might have packed those away too, because I've got this smaller tray, tower tray. Oh, see, this is one reason why I am so glad I used their trays. This is something kitted that's I've got kitted up, and I just dropped them, and there's hair everywhere. And because of the lids were on there so nice, I was able to they didn't spill. I didn't have a big, oh gosh, I'm so thankful. So yeah, you can set them, they've got notches. These bubble up on the tops, on all of them. And then the bottom, there's a divot. So you can set it in there, but having one of the clips to clip them together works the best. I have it on my, in fact, I'll show you on this other one, because I have these 2 clipped together. Oh wait, actually I have it clipped together with the bottom one. So anyway, the clips hold really nice. In fact, I couldn't even get it up off of the thing, because it would have picked up 3 different trays at once, because I have 3 trays clipped together going up and down. I'm not sure about, I couldn't get them to clip going side to side. So the clips aren't meant for clipping from here to another one alongside it, but they do good for clipping right here on the sides here to another layer. because this right here, width right here is wider than this right here. It doesn't look like it, but I couldn't get them to clip from here to, at least on the other ones. Maybe it's wider on those, but yeah, I couldn't clip from side to side, but I could clip from to stack them up and down without having to worry about them going anywhere. But oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I just love that rainbow. I've got to put that on top so it's like this, the thing that is seen. So there we go, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you are interested in any of Jamie and Nicole's products, you can follow the link down below to find their website. And I will see you guys in my next video. Have fun diamond painting, and don't forget to always sparkle wherever you go and whatever you do. Take care, everyone. Bye.